Gilson's rotary sifters and silent sifters are a fast, safe, and effective tool for particle size separations of granular material. These rugged and tough machines are shipped with a steel support stand detached from the sifter cabinet. Consequently, the sifter cabinet must be installed on the support stand to operate the unit properly. Let's demonstrate how to assemble a Gilson rotary sifter and silent sifter cabinet onto its support stand. First, place the packaged sifter on a level surface. Next, undo the straps and remove the packaging. Remove the two support stands from the remaining packaging. Each support stand has a cross rail partially bolted to the bottom rail of the support stand. Set the support stands parallel to each other on a sturdy flat surface and swing each cross rail out 90 degrees to connect to the opposite support stand's bottom rail. Then secure the support stand by tightening all connections securely with the supplied bolts and nuts. Remove the top half of the pivot post mounts from the support stand and set aside, thereby exposing the saddle where the sifter cabinet will rest. Lock the caster wheels so the support stand remains still during sifter assembly. To easily seat the sifter cabinet onto the stand, remove one of the cabinet rotation stops. Using two people and lifting with the legs, lift the sifter cabinet out of the remaining packaging and carefully set it vertically within the support stand saddle, so that both pivot posts of the sifter cabinet rests within the saddle. Return the pivot post mounts to the top of the support stand to cover the pivot post of the sifter cabinet, and secure the cabinet to the support stand using the supplied bolts. Now, return the cabinet rotation stop. Next, check that all connections are secure and that the sifter easily rotates 45 degrees back to its testing position, resting against the cabinet rotation stop. For any questions on unpackaging or setting up your Gilson sifter, or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.